Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the HODL application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the HODL application on your device, and if you're opening it up for the first time, you will be asked to choose between a free and a premium plan. Choose whichever option is suitable for you and tap on the Start button. Then select whether you want to view details about cryptos only or stocks only or both. Then tap on the Finish button, and now you will be taken into the watchlist page directly. Now from this page, if you wish to sign into your existing account, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner, and then from the settings menu, go ahead and tap on Account. You will then be asked to sign in or sign up. Go ahead and tap on the Login button at the bottom section, and now you will be asked to enter your username or your email address. Go ahead and type in your email address or your username followed by your password, and then tap on the Login button. And now you will immediately be logged in to your account on the HODL application, and you can immediately start trading or getting the information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on the HODL application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.